Okay, this week someone sent me another video of a presenter reading their slides to their very bored audience. It seems I get these videos from my friends and my clients about every couple of weeks. Thank you to everyone who wants to show me how bad it really is. I know. Now, before we get into this reading your slide thing, I want to be the pitch guy for just a quick minute here. I have a brand new 14-day presentation challenge I'm finishing up all the bells and whistles on. It's got all new videos, all new worksheets. It takes you from having a random bunch of Post-it notes to a polished presentation in just 14 days. It is a compilation of all the ideas, all the techniques, all the tools I have learned and developed over my career. It trims and condenses all that down into 14 days of very doable steps. I created this to be the fastest, most effective way to improve your skills and your career. And I'll be sending you registration information very soon. Or you can go to readytospeak.com. That's ready, the number 2, speak.com, and get on the notification list. I will be sending out detailed information for this super valuable course in the next few weeks. Okay, so here's my message to the people who are reading their slides to their poor, helpless audiences. Stop it! To the business people of America and the world, stop this torture. You might as well go home. People hate this. Not just hate, but capital H-A-T-E. They hate it. Everybody hates it. You know, I understand why you're doing this. You want to make sure you get everything said. You're afraid you might miss something and look foolish. And maybe you are just afraid to be in front of an audience in the first place. So let's fix all that. Number 1. Realize that you can only tell your audience so much in a live presentation. You can only fill a shot glass so full with your favorite beverage. If you keep pouring, the rest gets lost. It's the same with your audience. Give them enough to satisfy their thirst, enough to bring home your big point, then put all the rest in a handout if you must. Number 2, you should be the master of your topic. If you're not, then maybe you should go back and study your topic a little bit more. Number 3, so now let's get all those sentences and paragraphs off your slides. They're the words you should say. Or again, put the overflow into your handouts. Number 4, replace them with keywords or really short phrases. That will stop you from reading your slides, and it will still cue you as to what you need to be talking about. And it will still give the audience a signpost as to where you are in your presentation. And here's the really important point. Their focus will remain on you. I know this sounds an awful lot like bullets, and I guess if you put these little dots in front of your phrases, those are bullets. But you know what? That's okay. The reason everyone says they hate bullets is because they are in front of full sentences and paragraphs. We're not doing that. Number 5, finally, practice. You should be able to discuss your topic with just the keywords on the screen. If not, you're either not ready to be the expert, or maybe you haven't practiced enough. I know, tough love. Practice more. You know, your audience is giving you their most valuable time and attention. Stop reading your slides. Stop it right now. If you would like more super valuable videos just like this one, or you want to sign up for the first notification for my upcoming course, just go to readytospeak.com. This is Tom Nixon with Ready to Speak. Thanks so much for watching.